highway, a wheel suddenly rolled into the middle of the road, forcing the driver of the blue car to brake suddenly. But the accident didn't stop there. This action caused a series of collisions between vehicles behind, all of which could not react in time. The situation became even more dire when a crane truck rushed at high speed, slid, and crashed into. The serious consequences of not keeping a safe distance are a strong warning to all of us on these dangerous roads. This is a serious warning situation about lack of observation and carelessness when participating in traffic. The camera recorded the pickup truck suddenly changing lanes without signaling, causing a vehicle behind to not have time to react and crash into the rear of the vehicle. The strong impact caused the pickup truck to be thrown and somersaulted on the road. This shows the importance of always keeping a safe distance and paying attention before changing lanes. Every second of distraction can lead to unpredictable consequences. Drive safely and avoid dangerous situations like this. Any of us can encounter a traffic accident. Are you willing to share this video so everyone can be alert?
Сережа. Идиот! Это он что, нас?
On a crowded road, the four-seater car passed many vehicles at high speed. Suddenly, it collided strongly with a white four-seater car going in the same direction in front. The strong impact pushed both cars forward several hundred meters away. Notably, the black car immediately ran away after causing the accident and did not stop to resolve the situation. This is a wake-up call about irresponsible traffic and the need to obey the rules. What do you think about the actions of the driver of the black car? Please share your opinion below this video. Terrifying moment happened right on the deserted road. The police officer stood checking his car. Suddenly, a four-seater car came at breakneck speed from the opposite lane without having time to react. The strong impact caused the car to crash directly into his car, knocking both vehicles out, leaving a devastated scene. This scene lasted only a split second, but it was enough to prove that carelessness can change everything in a second. Always keep a safe distance and do not speed, because a little carelessness can lead to serious accidents. This is a reminder for all of us. The safety of you and those around you is always more important than anything else.
Extremely dangerous situation happened on the highway when the driver of a container fell asleep at the wheel. As a result, The car lost control, drove into the opposite lane and overturned, lying on its belly on the highway. The scene of the container lying upside down, blocking the entire lane. This incident is an expensive reminder about maintaining alertness when participating in traffic, especially for long-distance drivers. 1 minute of inattention can lead to disaster, causing not only material damage, but also threatening the lives of other road users. If you feel tired or sleepy, don't hesitate to stop and rest. The safety of you and those around you is the most important thing. A horrifying scene occurred when the container ran a red light at high speed and crushed a 4-seat car moving through the intersection. The strong impact caused the car to get stuck under the container, unable to move, and the scene became chaotic with debris scattered everywhere. This is a great lesson about obeying traffic signals. And always keep a safe distance from surrounding vehicles. In particular, running a red light can lead to unpredictable consequences, damaging both property and life. Always be careful, obey the law, and ensure safety for yourself and others around. The serious collision happened at the intersection when a white 4-seater car suddenly ran a red light and crashed straight into 2 other cars. The strong impact caused the vehicles to be pushed away. A car was thrown up and landed right on top of another car. This incident is a warning to all drivers about the dangers of disobeying traffic signals. Running a red light is not only against the law, but can also lead to dire consequences, affecting many innocent people. In this situation, being careful, observing carefully, and strictly following traffic rules is extremely important to avoid unfortunate accidents.
Opa! Opa!
At an intersection, an unexpected situation occurred when a 4-seater vehicle suddenly decelerated to avoid a motorbike. However, this created a serious incident when behind. A white car could not slow down in time and crashed into a 4-seater car. The strong impact caused the white car to be thrown and somersaulted on the road, creating a chaotic and dangerous scene. This incident once again reminds us of the importance of keeping a safe distance when participating in traffic. Failure to promptly handle the situation, especially when traveling at high speed, can lead to serious collisions, endangering both the driver and those around him. Accident happened on the highway due to a driver recklessly going in the wrong direction.
A strong impact hit a vehicle head-on, immediately creating a series of consecutive collisions. The cars behind could not react in time and crashed into each other, causing violent collisions, causing the vehicles to be thrown up and destroyed. This situation is a painful lesson in the importance of obeying traffic laws. Driving in the opposite direction is not only extremely dangerous, but also threatens the lives of all surrounding traffic participants. Every wrong decision on the road can have serious consequences, so always be alert, follow the rules, and keep a safe distance when driving. Who do you think should be responsible in this situation? Please share your views.
Tem mais dois ou não?
According to the dashcam recording, two four-seater cars were speeding down the road when suddenly the white car lost control. The suddenly swerved into the next lane and seriously collided with a car with a camera attached. The driver of the car with the camera did not have time to react to this dangerous situation. The strong collision caused the white car to somersault many times on the road, creating a horrifying scene and leaving serious damage. This is a reminder to always control speed and keep a safe distance when participating. Traffic to avoid catastrophic accidents. The collision occurred when the white car did not keep a safe distance from the vehicle in front. When the car in front suddenly slowed down, the white car did not have time to react and crashed hard into the rear of the car in front. The collision caused serious damage to both vehicles, causing traffic congestion and posing a high risk to surrounding vehicles. This is an important warning about keeping a safe distance on the road, especially during crowded and high-speed traffic conditions. Carelessness in just a split second can lead to serious consequences.
According to the camera, both drivers did not pay close attention when traveling through a road obscured by a large truck parked on the side. Because they were out of sight, the two vehicles crashed into each other at high speed without having time to react. The strong collision caused serious damage to both vehicles. This situation is an important warning about the need to be cautious when traveling through roads with obscured visibility. Even just a moment of negligence can lead to unpredictable consequences, affecting the health and lives of those involved.
Video protected.
The dashcam recorded a dangerous moment when a four-seater car moved in the opposite direction and immediately collided with another car that was traveling in its lane. This is an extremely dangerous situation when moving in the wrong lane not only violates traffic laws, but also increases the risk of a serious accident. Such a direct collision often causes serious consequences for the vehicle. Both vehicles, which could cause serious injury to occupants. On a slippery road, despite bad weather conditions, the driver still drove at high speed. When he suddenly encountered a car crossing the road ahead, the driver had to brake suddenly. Due to the slippery road, the car slid out of control and collided strongly with another four-seater car traveling nearby. This situation highlights the dangers of speeding in unfavorable weather conditions, such as slippery roads. Stopping ability is significantly reduced on wet roads, and sudden braking maneuvers often lead to loss of control, causing serious collisions. Comment on what you would do if you were in this situation. According to the camera, the situation happened when John's car crossed the lane to overtake the car in front. Suddenly, a car coming in the opposite direction rushed towards him. Immediately, John swerved to avoid the oncoming car, but due to the slippery road, his car lost control. Unfortunately, the car crashed onto the side of the road and rolled down the hillside. The strong impact caused serious damage to the car, and fortunately, John only suffered minor injuries. This situation is a reminder of the importance of paying attention, maintaining a safe speed, and ensuring good vehicle control, especially when road conditions are poor or slippery. A moment of carelessness can lead to a serious accident.